Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You are starting in Settings, go straight to Battery to save time. Tap Battery, then Battery Health and Charging so you see charging options. Once visible, find Optimized Battery Charging. It's usually on by default because iOS learns your routine to reduce battery aging. You'll act now, tap the toggle to turn it off. Make sure you understand why. Disabling it can increase full charge time at night, but gives immediate full charging when needed. Once done, the system may ask you to confirm. Say yes to apply the change. You should also check any scheduled charging or low-power mode interactions because other settings affect charge behavior. If you use night shift or an alarm, make sure they don't conflict with desired charging times. You can manually charge to 100% now. However, be aware the phone will stop learning your schedule, so expect more cycles over months and slightly faster capacity wear. To complete, close settings and optionally restart the device to ensure the change sticks. If the toggle is grayed out or missing, make sure iOS is updated. Many features move between releases. If problems persist, reconnect to Wi-Fi and sign into your Apple ID. The system sometimes needs that to apply learned behaviors. One key troubleshooting tip: restart, update, then recheck. If nothing works, you can re-enable optimized battery charging anytime to extend long-term battery health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.